How did you meet your hobby? She know me. Do you have a degree? Nobody will lie and pass the other. I'm done. I'll do the toasting. I'll tell you the greatest fear I've had. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing okay. You guys, happy new year to you and your family. I pray this new year will bring everything glorious, everything new. This is a get to know me video. So some weeks back I posted something on my community tab asking you guys to ask me a question, and you all came out in your numbers. Like, you all came out to tell me that you have a lot of questions for me, and I appreciate that so much. So in this video I'll be answering all your questions. I'll be answering all your assumptions. I'll be answering all your questions. I hope I'm able to answer this question the best way I can. So I'm not going to be answering this question in any particular order. I'm just going to start, and enough of the talking, let's just get right into it. Okay, so the first question is from Deborah Joshua. I don't know if this person is a YouTuber or not. Deborah Joshua. The question is, why did you start a YouTube channel, and how did you she asked, or he, okay, it should be a she because Deborah should be a she. So she asked two questions: why did you start a YouTube channel, and how did you meet your hobby? Okay. Okay. So this, I'm going to answer the first question. Why did you start a YouTube channel? Starting a YouTube channel, I've always wanted to start a YouTube channel. This has been 2 years ago dream, 2 years ago wish, because I wanted a place where I always wanted to come out here and post my own tutorials, make it explanatory for any beginner. Even if you don't have the sewing experience, you can still make clothes. So that was the idea. That was the reason why I'm here on YouTube, and also to post about my lifestyle, my kids, to have a record, a documentation of my kids that are growing up. So that is why I came here on YouTube. I hope that answers the question. So the second question is, how did you meet your hobby? Well, this particular question, I don't think I'll be the one to answer it alone. So I will do it in a way that hobby will be present and will be answer this question. I pray that day comes soonest. All right, he will be present that day. Maybe it's the day that I'm going to introduce him to this channel, and we'll be answering this question. Yep. So somebody commented under the comments, don't mind this girl. She said, Chinecherem. She know me rich house. That is my name. That is my native name. Chinecherem. This is Tife Faith. Now Tife Koka. How did you meet your husband? The full details, please. God is watching though, so talk through. I will be in the comment section. This girl is crazy girl. She's a crazy girl and she does not know it. So I hope I answered that question. The second question is from Catherine O. Hillary. She's a YouTuber based in Asaba. She said, do you have a degree, and do you plan on ever using it for a 9-to-5 job in future? Okay. Do you have a degree? I did not. I don't. So do you plan on ever using it for a 9-to-5? How can I use it when I don't have? But I hope if I should get in the future, of course. Why wouldn't I? Okay, so the third question is from Lucy Chioma, a YouTuber also. How old are you? Well, baby girl is 25. I just celebrated my 25th year birthday. The vlog is on this channel. If you've not seen that video, I will try and put the link somewhere here or here, anywhere. So I just celebrated my 25th year birthday. The second question from the same person, Lucy Chioma, she said, how did you meet your spouse? I see you guys are so eager to know this. Don't worry, he'll be here when we'll be talking it, so that nobody will lie and pass the other person before they'll tell me I'm done, I'll do the toasting. Just don't worry, relax, and that video is still coming up. Okay. And she asked like 3 questions in one. Oh, more than 3, 4 questions in one. She said, what inspired you to start YouTube channel? What inspired me is the fact that I wanted a documentation of my kids' lifestyle. I wanted the documentation of my own lifestyle also, and about my sewing. That is the my greatest inspiration. The fourth question she asks is, and what is your greatest fear in this YouTube journey? Well, I will tell you the greatest fear I've had. My greatest fear in this YouTube journey is running out of ideas. That is my greatest fear. Running out of ideas. Because I'm not going to say posting videos and you guys will not watch, because I know you guys always come out in your numbers for me. So my greatest fear is running out of ideas. That one used to, like, trying to think what am I going to post next. I don't even want to think about it. So that is my greatest fear. So that is the reason why I do write down list of how I want to be making list of how I'm going to, like, in this month I'm going to list a lot of video ideas, so I don't run out of idea. Because whenever I'm out of ideas, you know, whenever you're out of that, you just go blank. So that's my greatest fear. Okay, this is from Cathy Chooks. She said my questions are, that means the question plenty. Why did you join YouTube? I guess I've answered that question, but if you don't know, documentation of my kids lifestyle, my lifestyle, and my sewing tutorials. What is your biggest fear in life? Oh, okay. What is your biggest fear in life? My biggest fear in life is not being able to provide for my kids. I know I'm not the one that is doing the provision. Like, I'm always scared of a time that my kids need this thing and it's not there for them. I'm not talking about just needing it. I'm talking about essentials, like paying for their school fees or juggle. So that is my biggest fear. Biggest fear. That is what she asked me. What is your biggest fear? So I hope I answered that question. She asked her another question. Are you allergic to anything? I don't think I am. Okay, yes, I'm allergic to porridge beans. I find out I'm always having heartburn whenever I eat beans. So I guess I'm allergic to that, alright? Another question is, what did you study in the university? I don't know why people feel that I went to the university. Like, so, see, this baby girl you're seeing here stopped at high school. Yes, I stopped at high school, and see, you're not even the only one. So I understand. A lot of people feel that I graduated from a particular school. Yes, a lot of people. At times they will even ask me, and I'll be like, yes, I went to so school. See, this baby girl here stopped at high school, but I'm considering furthering. Okay, so keep it low. All right. She asked another question from Cathy Chooks. Do you prefer shopping online or in stores, and why? See, I am, if you've been following this channel, you should know that I am an online shopping freak. Yes, I enjoy shopping online. Reason is because it's stress-free. It's stress-free. You just at the comfort of your own zone, you order your things, and in fact I do the both, but I enjoy online more. I hope that makes sense. So the next question is, most embarrassing moment. Hey, Cathy! Most embarrassing moment. That was my most embarrassing moment was when I had my first period. When I got stained in the church. Yeah. I saw my first stain in the church. That's the first time of me having. It felt like the ground should just open up. My whole dress was stained. It felt like this ground should just open up and swallow me. That was my most embarrassing moment ever. Somebody had to tap me and to tell me that your dress is stained. And then I was already conscious because we've been taught in school. This thing didn't come early. My period did not come early. Did not start coming early. So I was already conscious of it. I was already 14 before I started seeing my period. Yes. So I was already conscious of it. So that should be my embarrassing moment. Yep. And she asks again, who are your favorite YouTuber? This is from Cathy Chooks. My favorite YouTuber is Kim Dave. She's a fashion designer. I love her so much. I love her simplicity. I love her what she creates. In fact, I admire her creations. So she's my favorite YouTuber. Then Dine Ekweme, the energy goddess, you all know her. I love Dine Ekweme also, and I also love Mabella TV. Oh, I love that lady. she's giving me this ginger of how to take care of your home, like how to beautify the house. So those are my favorite YouTuber. I might have some. If I remember, I will pin it in the comment section. Okay. So the next question. So this next question is from Alimatsu. She's also a YouTuber based in Saudi Arabia. Okay. The next, she asked me, who inspired you to join YouTube and what are your challenges? Like I said, I got my inspiration from Kim Dave, but then I was still considering if I should go into it. So when the person that completed the inspiration was Daniel Kwame, yeah, so that's it. So this is not a question, this is more like a comment from Catherine. Oh, Hilary. She said, "Chai babe, I just open YouTube now to type a get to know me in my community only to see your own. After weeks of procrastinating, I summoned courage today. I love this coincidence. Let me ask my question. I'll go back to racking my head." This is funny. Oh, all right. And she also did get to know me. If you've not been following her, please check her out. She's a great YouTuber. Like, you will definitely love her channel. You will, I do ask her how is she doing it. Everything on check. Like, just check. Go and check her out. I'll catch you in Oh Hilary, and you know, you will see what I mean. This is from Debiton, a YouTuber based in Italy. She asks, how long have you been married and which year? I got married in the year 2019. Then, so apparently I've been married for going to 4 years. Yeah. Wait, this is from Cathy Choose again. She asked another question in another way. She said, what do you enjoy doing in your spare time? That is in my meantime. I enjoy editing videos in my meantime. That is what I enjoy doing. Like my phone. Yeah, so that's what I love doing. Or filming a sit down video. So the next question is, what is your full name? From Cathy Choose. Okay. My names are Okonkwo Divine Mercy Chinecherem. Yeah. Yeah, that is this baby girl's name. Okay. Should I say how many she asked again, how many languages do you speak? Just two. Okay, two. Igbo, English. I try to speak a little bit of Hausa and Yoruba. I'm not good in Yoruba. I'm trying to learn Yoruba. Really, I want to like be all weather. Then I speak a little bit of French. Small, just small. Like bonjour. Those type of French. So this is from this question is from Hobby. He said, do you intend having more kids? I know this man just want to ask. Let it be that he's asking question. Do you intend having more kids? Do you people want to know? See this kind of question. If you guys want to know the answer to this question, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Okay, let me know what you think. Should I answer the question? Because why will he be asking me, do I intend having more kids? Oga, what is your plan? Just tell me. This question is also from Alimatsu. She asked two questions and I answered one. She asked, who inspired you to join YouTube, which I've answered, and she asked again, and what are your challenges? I guess she's asking, what are my challenges? What are my YouTube challenges? Yeah, I guess that is the question, because I don't think she's asking my life challenges. I am sure she's asking what are my YouTube challenges. Okay, being a YouTuber in Nigeria is not easy. My challenge is plenty. There are many. For instance, you're filming a video, you're recording a video, there are so many noise going on. That one is number one challenge. Number two challenge is network. The network is not steady. At times you're trying to upload video, and for that day the network might just decide to just have a mind of its own. So another challenge is network. Another challenge is lights. Nigeria and lights, they're not in good time. So that is all I have to say. Okay. So the next question is from Ada Unleashed. This baby girl, she have the calmest of voice I've ever seen. Her voice is so calm, like so calm. She's so, I enjoy watching her talk. Her voice is so calm. Please check her out. She said, do you have any YouTube goals for the year 2021? Do you have any YouTube goals for the year 2021? My YouTube goals for the year 2021 is to get monetized before the end of the year. Getting monetized before the end of the year, which I did, and I'm happy for that. So that was the YouTube goal I set. So moving to 2022, if you want to know my 2022 goal for my YouTube channel, leave me a comment in the comment section. This is from Lillian MDC Corner. She's also a YouTuber, beautiful lady, very beautiful. She's also a YouTuber. She asked, which school did you graduated from? I don't know why people feel I'm a graduate. It's a joke. It's a joke. Well, baby girl. We've not graduated. We are still trying to graduate, okay? And she asked, where did you grow up? I grew up in Abuja, FCT Abuja, yeah. So because of unforeseen circumstances, I couldn't further my education. So this is from Belleville. Sorry, I hope I did not murder that name. Sorry, baby girl. So Belleville Creations. She asked, my assumption is that you are a stay-at-home mom and a full-time YouTuber. Are you? I'm a stay-at-home mom, yes, because my business is in the house. I also make clothes. I'm a fashion designer, yes. So I do that in the house because I've not gotten my own space, and which I'll be sharing with you guys in another video, my 2022 goals. Yeah. So that is it. So I hope I answered that question. I'm a full-time mom because I work from the house, and yeah, a full-time YouTuber. This is from Tifekoka Faith. I know immediately I saw her name. I knew she was not going to ask me any reasonable question, and she did not. For my girlfriend, she is the girl that we did Never Have I Ever. If you've not seen that video, I'll try and put the link somewhere here or here. So we did Never Have I Ever, the first Never Have I Ever on this channel. Please check that out. She said, my assumption is that how do you cope with loving me unconditional? Can you just imagine this girl in the midst of my plenty worry? Just imagine this girl. But I just love you, Sha, and I'm glad you know there are so plenty worry that you have. So this is from Prosper Comic. He's also a YouTuber, a very funny YouTuber indeed. He said, who inspires you to start YouTube and why? Okay, I've answered that question, but I'm just going to say it again. I was inspired to start YouTube by King Dave, but who gave me a full inspiration is Dan Ekweme. Yep. So I had to accept it because I love what they were doing. I enjoy what they were doing. I enjoy watching them, especially when Kim Dave is making an outfit. I enjoy watching her. So that was where I got my inspiration. And he asked again, what was your plan for your YouTube this year? My plan for my YouTube channel this year was to get monetized. Yes, I started how many months ago. So I had this, yeah, I want to get monetized before the end of the year, which I did on my birthday, 22nd of November. So that day was very, very special. I was monetized on that day. So that was my plan for YouTube. And did your plan succeed? Yes, of course it did. Yeah, thank you for asking. He asked again, are you of the same age with your husband? If not, how many years pass? How many, I guess he's asking me how many years is my husband older than me? And the last is, what is your plan for 2022? Are you of the same age with your husband? No. No. If I tell you the age gap, you choke. If I tell you the age gap, you guys will not believe. But just watch out for that video where he will be introduced to this channel and he will spill all the spill label. You guys just watch out. What is your plan for 2022? I have a lot of plan this 2022, especially for my business, because start working towards that. And also, you guys just chill. I'll be unveiling it. I'll be unveil it with you guys when that time comes. Okay. So this is from Pat Eyaba. Explain that you got matter. Just ignore this lady. Just leave this babe. Leave her. Just leave this babe. So the last but not the least question is: are you a graduate? Where did you graduate from? If not, do you intend furthering? Okay, I guess I've answered this question in the previous question. I'm not a graduate, and of course I intend furthering. Yep, I intend furthering, but I'm having all this mixed feeling. I did a whole video concerning that, which I'll be sharing soon. I did a whole video concerning why I'm being. In fact, I have a whole mixed feeling about this furthering. So, yeah, that is the end of this questions. Thank you guys so much for coming out to ask me these questions. Like when I was trying to put this in, I'm like, are they going to ask me questions? And you guys came out with your questions. I definitely enjoy this question and I enjoy answering the question. So if you have more questions, or if you're not opportune to ask me any question, there's an opportunity for you now. You can ask me any question of your choice in the comment section, and I will be so glad to answer any of your questions. This is me saying we've come to the end of this video, and I love you guys so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.